So should you sign a medical release form to the other insurance company when you've been in a car wreck? So let's say the person that hit you has Allstate or State Farm or Geico, Progressive, whatever it is. And that insurance adjuster says, hey, here's a little form I need you to fill out. It'll just let us get your medical records so then we can give you a fair settlement. Should you sign that? I would be very, very hesitant to sign that. My name is John Watts. I'm a lawyer in Alabama. I've been representing people who have been injured for 25 years. And what I have found over the years, and it's been pretty consistent, is those what are called medical releases are way overbroad. Okay? So they let the insurance company get any medical records, all your medical records. Okay? And look, if you are making an injury claim, you say, I've been injured and I want compensation, then you do put your medical history at issue. But let me tell you what I'm talking about. Let's say that somebody comes along and they hit me on the driver's door and they break my left arm. Okay. Well, then it would make sense that medical records related to my arm would be fair game. But why would the insurance company want to get medical records about a broken foot that I had 20 years ago? Why would they want medical records related to therapy or counseling or other things that I had 5 years ago or 10 years ago? Well, the reason is because they want to cast this very broad net and look at all of your medical records because maybe in there somewhere is a medical record that hurts you. Maybe it talks about you've been having pain in your arm. Or let's use a more common example. My back hurts and the doctor says, hey, you got to have surgery after this wreck. But 12 years ago, they can find some reference in a medical record to my back. Well, that may help them. Maybe they can trick me into saying, oh yeah, my back's never hurt. Well, what I mean by that is I've never had a serious problem with my back, but everybody's back is hurt. Well, that's what they use to hurt you with, is they say, so you swore under oath that your back had never hurt you, not one day in your entire life. Well, that's not what I meant when I said my back hasn't hurt, but now they've made me out to be a liar. Okay, so these records are really broad in terms of time, really broad in terms of even mental health, counseling, therapy, which they normally can't get. Okay, but if you sign that release, it'll say in there that they can get all that, and they really don't have the right to get that. You want to control that information. So my suggestion is I would be very, very hesitant to sign that. Now, you can go get your own medical records, and you can give those to them. Obviously, if you hire a lawyer, your lawyer will help you gather those records, will tell them what they're entitled to. And there's a whole strategy with how we deal with medical records, and we'll talk about this in another video, to make sure that they can't claim that you are lying about your previous history. Okay? And so there's something we do to minimize that chance. But the point is, just be very, very hesitant about giving that other insurance company just like carte blanche authority to go get any and all medical records of yours, because that can really hurt you. And so I hope that this is helpful to you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.